Cosmo, what are you doing?
Hello, Sophie. What do you think of this noise?
I guess it's okay.
That is not good.
Cosmo, what noise are you trying to make?
A joyful noise.
A joyful noise? Like a trumpet or something?
Was that a joyful noise?
It can be. There's all kinds of noises that are joyful, really.
There is more than one joyful noise.
Ah, Cosmo! Too many noises!
Oh no. Too many noises is not joyful.
Cosmo, why are you trying to make a joyful noise?
The Bible says to.
Oh, yeah. The Bible does say in Psalm 98 to make a joyful noise to the Lord.
Yes, I am trying to find the joyful noise.
Oh, Cosmo. Making a joyful noise isn't just about what sound you make. It's about how you feel.
How I feel?
Oh, this is hard. Let's see. Cosmo, what is your favorite thing to do? What was that?
Dancing. I like to dance.
Oh, I like to dance too. What do you like about dancing?
It is exiting and fun.
So, when you dance and are excited and having fun, that's a way you feel joyful.
Dancing is joyful, but dancing is not a noise.
No, dancing isn't a noise, but how you feel while dancing is important. You don't have to be dancing to feel joyful. Some people feel joyful while painting, playing sports, making a recipe, playing games, even by doing something quiet like reading or resting. It's not about what you're doing, it's about how you feel when you are doing it. Jesus even said that if we were silent and didn't show our joy, the rocks themselves would cry out.
Rocks can cry.
Well, not usually. It just means that nothing can stop something or someone that is so filled with joy and excitement.
No one can stop Cosmo dancing.
Except maybe running out of batteries.
What was that?
I think what the psalm is saying about joyful noise is not about what type of noise you choose or even if you make an actual sound. It's about how you feel and when you are so joyful and excited that you have to let it out. That's what it means.
I can dance my joyful noise.
Sure.
Do I have to dance forever?
No, Cosmo. That's what I was saying. We can do it in so many ways. We don't always feel joyful, and that's okay too. But even when we're not excited or happy, we can be grateful for the people and things that we love.
Grateful?
Gratefulness is a lot like joy. We can feel grateful when we are thankful for our favorite toys or the family and friends that we love. We can feel grateful for all the good things that God does for us, like giving us each our own special ways of feeling joy.
I am grateful I am not a rock.
I'm grateful you're not a rock either, Cosmo. And that's really what the psalm is about. showing joy and thankfulness for all that God has done for us. We have so many ways to do that.
I am going to make a joyful noise.
Okay, Cosmo, let's do it.